If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel. The two tallest structures in Tokyo are the Tokyo Sky Tree and the Tokyo Tower. From here, you can get a view of the skyline of Tokyo. However, these views of the Tokyo skyline comes with a cost. For example, the Tokyo Sky Tree will cost you more than $16, while the Tokyo Tower will cost you about $11. There is a perfect view of the Tokyo skyline that is totally free. All you have to do is to get there. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building is a perfect place to see the skyline of Tokyo, and admission is free of charge. In this video, I will show you how to go to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building by metro train. After our day tour of Shibuya, which included the Meiji Shrine and the Takeshita Street and the Shibuya Crossing, and taking pictures with the Hachiko statue, which is a very famous dog in Japan, plus taking lunch at the fully automated Genki Sushi restaurant, we proceeded with our next tour destination, which is the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. From the Shibuya Crossing, it is just a few minutes walk to the Shibuya Station, where we can ride the Yamanote Line train going to the Shinjuku Station. Arriving at the Shibuya Station, we ride the Yamanote Line train on platform number 1 going to the Shinjuku Station. From the Shibuya Station, the train first goes to the Harajuku Station and then the Yoyogi Station. We get down at the third stop, which is the Shinjuku Station. Getting down at the Shinjuku Station train platform, we go down to the train concourse. Take note that there are many stairs and escalators going down to the basement train concourse of the Shinjuku Station. There are also stairs, escalators, and elevator that goes up to the train concourse at the second floor. The Shinjuku Station actually has two train concourses, one at the basement floor and another at the second floor. Our objective here is to go down the stairs going to the west exit, which is at the basement floor. If you happen to go down a stairway going to the central west exit, you will have to go around the train concourse at the basement floor going to the west exit. And so, after getting down the train at the Shinjuku Station, in order not to get confused, we just walk along the Yamanote Line train platform and find the stairs going down to the west exit at the basement floor. Arriving at the train concourse of the basement floor, we exit the ticket gates at the west exit. We may enter or exit the JR ticket gates for free by showing our JR pass to the man or woman at the counter at the side of the ticket gates. You can also use Suica card or Pasmo card to enter or exit the JR ticket gates. After getting out of the Shinjuku Station from the west gate, we walk ahead and keep on following the signboard going to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building.
So where are we now?
We are now in Shinjuku Station and we're going to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building.
What shall we do there?
We will go to the top of the building and we will see a view of Tokyo for free.
What time is it now?
Time is now about maybe 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Alright. So is this the underground passage?
We are now actually at the underground passageway going to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building. Take note that the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building is also called with its acronym as TMG, and so with some signboards you will see it only as TMG. We are now almost at the end of the underground passageway going to TMG, or the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building, and the exit we have to go to is exit A4. A good indication that we are now near the end of the passageway going to TMG, or the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building, is that we will also find in this place the ticket gates of the Uedo Line Tochomae Station. We go out of the underground passageway at exit A4, which goes to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building, or TMG. After getting out of the underground passageway, we found ourselves outside, almost at the foot of the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building. And then we enter the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building and follow the signboard going to the observatory. The building has two observatories, namely the North Observatory and the South Observatory. The North Observatory is open from 9:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. Please see the links in the description below for further details and updates. After our tour of the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building, we go on with our tour of the rest of Shinjuku. First, we will take a picture of the love object, which is a very iconic symbol in Shinjuku. First, we go back to the Tochomeo station exit of the Oedo line to start walking from there. But we have to find a way to go up on the bridge. And so, we have to go back upstairs walking in the direction of the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Office Building. In front of the building, we turn left. At the end of the passageway, we go up going to the bridge upstairs. Then we turn left and keep on walking straight ahead. At the end of the road, we cross the pedestrian crossing and turn right. Then we keep on walking straight ahead. After a few minutes, we will find the love object on our left. After the love object, we're on our way to see the giant monster Godzilla. With the love object on our left, we walk straight ahead. At the end of the road, we turn right and keep on walking straight ahead. After walking straight ahead for a few minutes, we will see the Godzilla Road where we will find the giant monster Godzilla. After that, we go to the robot restaurant. And that ends our very memorable tour of Shinjuku in Tokyo, Japan. Don't worry, be happy, and have a very happy trip.
Magalaw na siya.